Hi, I'm FP Jones, and boy, I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to. Okay, so this is an FP Jones Riverdale cosplay, but when he was working at Pop's chocolate shop for like 2 episodes or whatever it was. It consists of a few different things. It's the hat, the name badge, the apron, white shirt, white pants. Pretty simple. I was gonna do this another way, but I figured an iron-on transfer is probably the easiest and safest bet to do it. So that was pretty easy. I bought the hat online. Okay, here I decided to do like some sort of magic trick. Am I gonna do another one here or something? What is this? What's going on here? Okay, I don't know why I'm so aggressively why am I handling everything so aggressively? Am I trying to be cool or something? So I'm gonna trace these things. I cut out these things out of cardboard and I'm gonna trace them onto plastic. Always keep these plastic cards. You never know when you're gonna need them, and here they are. I had some lying around. Remarkably easy to cut with scissors. I got it to a place where it was pretty easy on the line. I was able to kind of soften up the curves and everything too, and cut out 2 of them just because I had 2 different shapes that I was messing with. I always sort of tended to like the smaller one. I'm using a sanding sponge to be able to get a nice rounded kind of sand to it, just to shape it and knock out any weird little edges. Yeah, so this is the name badge, by the way. It says FP on it. It's this weird sort of teal kind of color, which I thought it's kind of got like a sparkle to it. So I've got these pearlescent kind of paints, and I thought maybe this would work. I'm trying it on the back of one of them. It's not quite dark enough and not quite opaque enough. So since this has a lot of writing and stuff on it, I decided, hold on. Oh, satisfying. So satisfying pearlescent. Okay, so I decided to mix like a darker sort of gunmetal and this teal, and it gave me a color that was closer. I also sort of spray painted the whole little thing in white, but here's these 2 colors, and I'm mixing them and in a few different coats. I think it took me like 3 coats to get a nice, really even coat of it, but eventually it goes on really nicely. You just have to be patient and do it right. At this point I've taped it to the cardboard, so and here I just decided to do a happy little tree. A little happy tree here. Maybe a little happy tree lives right here, and then we're gonna beat the pearlescent out of it. We're gonna wash our brush and beat the pearlescent out of it. That's one of my favorite parts. Beat the devil out of it. Oh yeah, Bob Ross joke. Okay, so always have a spare, so that you can test stuff out. I decided to go with a paint marker to do this really thin sort of pinstripe. You gotta be brave here. Gotta be brave, gotta have a steady hand, and just be confident with it. It's gonna wiggle, it's gonna wobble. You can always sort of fix it, hide it. But if you're confident, it's gonna be better than if you go in scared. So, it turned out okay. I went over it one more time, and it actually looks kind of great. It looks really weird now, again, because it's taped to the cardboard, so you can't really see the edges of the thing. Again, with the FP, I decided to go with the paint marker, and just gotta be brave. Just be confident, be brave, and boom, there it is. There's the FP name badge. The last thing is to hot glue a safety pin to the back just so that I can pin it to the apron, and that is pretty much all I did for this. The apron was made by Maker Mom. Thank you very much to her. And the shirt and the pants I bought, of course. I'm not gonna make shirt and pants. You want me to make shirt and pants? I'm not gonna make shirt and pants. And the hat I bought, the bow tie I bought. I made the name badge, and so yeah. What do you think? Came out all right? Huh? Roll the thing!